is happening today in the today's contemporary world. Honorable Speaker Sir and the respected House, I stand before you all in firm support of the motion artificial intelligence will reduce the opportunities of employment. Honorable Speaker Sir, it is not only replacing the millions of human workers across industries but also risking a future where millions are left unemployed, struggling to find relevance in this AI-dominated world. Honorable Speaker Sir, if we a retrospective gaze into the annals of Indian history, annals of world history shows how economic history is full of stories of hardship, suffering as a result of technological innovation. Working on technological unemployment in the Industrial Revolution, historian Wayne Steiner documents the negative long-term effects caused by the mechanization of hand scanning to the mechanization of telephone switchboards from the 1770s to the 1920s, which has deployed over 300 million people across the globe. Honorable Speaker Sir, AI has the potential to disrupt various sectors leading to significant job displacements. As AI becomes more advanced, it can outperform jobs in each and every sector. Honorable Speaker Sir, now I will replicate my points. First, the jobs which will be replaced by the artificial intelligence are the blue-collar jobs. That is the manufacturing jobs, labor works, etc. Foxconn, the iPhone manufacturing company, has replaced 60,000 workers within 1 year by the robots. Honorable Speaker Sir, according to the Oxford Economics report, the econometric modeling finds that on an average, each newly installed robot will displace 1.6 million manufacturers every year. By 2030, it estimates that as many as 20 million additional manufacturing jobs worldwide could be displaced due to robotization. Honorable Speaker Sir, I would like to highlight the Times of India tech layoffs in 2024, which has replaced 90,000 employees at Apple, Google, Microsoft, and more than 330 tech companies have lost jobs. Honorable Speaker Sir, secondly, it will replace the white-collar jobs like coding and the creative jobs like graphic designers, etc. AI-powered chatbots are replacing human customer services. A Gartner report states that 80% of customer interactions will be handled by AI by 2030. Honorable Speaker Sir, my previous debater, my respected opponent, has said that AI creates jobs, but AI creates fewer jobs than it destroys. Honorable Speaker Sir, I would like to highlight the Forbes latest article in which it is saying that World Economic Forum estimated that some 85 million of jobs will end by 2025. And though new jobs will be created, I would like to make it clear that though the new jobs will be created, but those jobs will be related to artificial intelligence only. And my previous speaker has said that no job is touchable. I want to say that every job is touchable. From AI is not just assisting, it is taking over entire professions. If you think you are safe because of your skill, think again. AI is already writing books, diagnosing diseases, and even composing music. Honorable Speaker Sir, I think my humble worthy opponents have seen only the curative nature of AI which enhance social media. I would like to state that they have only seen the trailer of the artificial intelligence. They have only seen the trailer of the artificial intelligence. I would like to say that see the whole picture and put forward your relevant arguments. So, Honorable Speaker Sir, for the cause of humanity, for the cause of human civilization, this bill should be passed in the floor of this House today. Thank you.